Hello everyone, welcome to Lucidchart. So what exactly is this tool? It's a tool for creating AI-powered diagrams, mind maps and such. It's exclusively for diagrams, okay? It lets us create cutting-edge diagrams using AI, data and automation in Lucidchart. It understands and optimizes all systems and processes. We have process maps, flowcharts, planning and organization tools here. It's also useful for technical diagrams, systems, and creating workflows. Here they give us a glimpse of everything we could potentially do with this tool. It has state-of-the-art diagramming capabilities, and honestly, it's a tool that's really caught my attention. Pricing wise, it's free to start. €0 gets you 3 editable Lucidchart docs, 60 shapes per doc, and 100 templates. For €9, you get the individual plan, unlimited docs and objects, premium visuals, 1 GB storage, plus import export. Pretty good deal, right? Team pricing is €10 per user. So that's the gist of it. I assume these €9 are monthly. Not sure where it states that, but likely monthly. To get started, just head to Lucidchart pages and click sign up. Then you can begin using the free version. And here we are inside the platform.